Will does not avoid the probate process. All a will does is outline how you want your assets to be distributed. And so if you're trying to pass the property down to your kids and avoid the probate process, a will not accomplish that. And so if you pass away with a will, what's going to happen is you pass away, the property goes through the probate process, and then it will be passed down to your kids. Because it's going through the probate courts, it can take 1 to 2 years between the point of you passing away and the point of your kids taking ownership of that property. And because you're going through the probate courts, typically people are going to be hiring a probate attorney, which can cost $5,000 to $15,000. Now, if you are married, think about this. And you direct in that will that you want your property to go to your surviving spouse and then down to your kids, what's going to happen is you'll pass away. Your half of the property will have to go through the probate process to go to your surviving spouse. They pass away. It has to go through probate again to go down to the kids. And so then you have 1 to 2 years and $5,000 to $15,000 for each probate instance. It's going to be one for you, one for your surviving spouse. If you have all of your assets inside of a revocable trust, what's going to happen is you can put the assets inside the revocable trust that you pass away. They will be in that trust to take care of your surviving spouse. And then when they pass away, those assets will go down to your kids. Each time someone passes away with a revocable trust, these assets will avoid the probate process, which means the assets go directly down to the beneficiary listed, and they also don't have to come out of pocket themselves to pay for a probate attorney just to get the assets that should just be going to them anyways. If you want help setting any of this up and use one of our trusts, your assets will avoid the probate process, or we will do probate for free. Click link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk to our team.